Hi, this is Cher with Designs by Studio C, and today I'm going to show you how to drill a hole in a plate with a diamond bit. And a diamond bit is just that. It's a drill bit that drills a hole as it has little diamond particles around the outside. Now, there's a certain technique in using this diamond bit. You have to have running water, which is why I'm here at the kitchen sink, because I'm going to be drilling the hole while the faucet is running. Okay, so what you want to do is start by marking the bottom of your plate, because you're going to want to drill from the bottom. And set the water on your faucet just a little bit. This is pretty good. Just so that you have a continuous water stream that's running over your bit. And what that does is it helps keep the bit cool, and the bit's going to last a whole lot longer.
As always, make sure you're wearing safety glasses and a pair of gloves in case the item you're drilling into breaks. I started drilling with the plate at an angle in order to create a groove to start the hole. As the groove got deeper, I tilted my plate so that it was perpendicular to the drill. Do not use any pressure or force the bit to cut through. Use medium speed and keep the water running on the bit. As the bit gets closer to breaking through, you'll be able to feel it, and you'll want to slow the drill so that once it breaks through, you can stop.
And there you have it, a nice clean hole in the bottom of the plate. Now this method works well for glass bottles, for obviously plates, and other dishes. So until next time, happy creating.